Are you someone who's trying to overcome the loss of a loved one? Be it a spouse or a friend or a parent or a sibling, losing a loved one is traumatic. It is the hardest thing. It is a hurt that never really goes away. But here's a little secret, if I may share. You can overcome that hurt and move on without causing further trauma to yourself. Hi, my name is Ratika Seth and I'm a life enhancement coach. I'm the founder of the Gratitude Concepts Tribe and the Flight to Fulfillment podcast, and today I am here to share 10 steps that will help you overcome the trauma of losing a loved one. So, what are these 10 steps? Step number 1, let yourself grieve. It is okay to cry, it is your right to cry. You loved somebody. You've loved somebody who is now gone. You are not going to be seeing that person again. You are not going to be interacting with that person again. Let yourself grieve. Don't stop yourself from crying. Number 2, don't suppress any emotion at that point in time. There'll be, a whole lot of emotions within you when you lose somebody. Apart from obviously the grief, there's going to be anger, there's going to be frustration, there's going to be depression. It's different. Everybody goes through a plethora of emotions when they lose somebody. Don't suppress these emotions. Shout if you're angry, cry if you're sad. Say whatever you want to say. Don't suppress your emotions. Which takes me to step number 3, talk to someone you trust. Talk it out, vent it out. If you don't want to talk to anybody, talk to yourself. Lock yourself in a room, talk aloud, talk. Number 4, take care of yourself. You are at a very, very vulnerable point at this time. Take good care of yourself because, in all honesty, the fact is you are still alive. You are still living. So you need to take care of yourself. Number 5, set small goals to maintain a routine. Don't give up on anything. And this is especially for the ones who've, probably lost their spouse. Don't give up on life. Don't do nothing that, now there's nothing to my life. Now there's nothing for me to do. No. You have your life. You are still alive. So set small goals, make a routine for yourself, which will help you in turn in coming out of this shell of grief. Number 6, honor the memory of your loved one. Celebrate the person who's gone. Pay respect not by crying but by celebrating his or her life. Honor the memories. Think about the best times you've had. Think about the best emotions you've shared. Number 7, write down your feelings. Whatever you're feeling at this time, write it down, journal it down. It will help you. It's another way of venting out your grief. Write it down. Number 8, build a community of similar people. As we grow in life, we realize a lot of people around us are losing their loved ones too. So if you've lost a spouse, maybe somebody else has lost a spouse too. If you become a part of this community, all of you can talk and share things together. And this in turn makes you feel much better, makes the other person feel much better. You help, each other in overcoming your respective grief. Number 9, don't be afraid to seek professional help. If you are doing all these things, if you're doing everything I've stated above, and you still are getting deeper and deeper into depression, which in your heart when you're depressed, don't be afraid to seek professional help. It is perfectly fine to seek professional help. Do yourself this favor, do the ones who love you this favor. Seek professional help. And number 10, give yourself time. Time heals all wounds. This too shall pass. You have been hearing this all along. You have been saying this to people all along. Now it is time for you to give yourself this time. Give yourself time. You will overcome it. But don't stop prioritizing your life and yourself. Somebody who is gone is gone. This is a cycle of life. Don't don't just get into a shell. Come out of grieving. You have one life to live too. You still are blessed with life, so make it a blessing for yourself. Live. Come back, get over this, live. And it's not about getting over, honestly. It's about learning to live with the hurt. The person who's gone will always be there in your heart. Learn to live with the person in your heart now. And with patience and self care, you can find peace amidst any pain. So, on that note, if you resonated with this episode, like, share, comment, subscribe. Do give me your ideas on any other topic pertaining to life enhancement you would like me to speak on. Also, follow my Instagram channel @Gratitude Concepts by Ratika Seth for your daily dose of inspiration. Become a part of my community, become a part of my gratitude tribe. Much gratitude, more power to all of you. Look forward to seeing you out there. This is Ratika Seth, your life enhancement coach, signing off for now. Till my next podcast. Bye bye.